Hi there, boys and girls, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. Today we will continue working with positive and negative integers. Let's dive on in. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to compare and order integers in order to solve real-world problems. The Common Core state standards today are 6 NSC 6C, 7A, and 8B. For example number 1, you will need to use a number line to compare the two integers. Part A. Compare 4 and negative 1. Start by drawing your number line, and then plot each of the points. We have 4 on the right and negative 1 on the left. 4 is greater than negative 1. We know this because it is farther to the right on the number line, and the numbers increase as you move to the right. Now let's try B. Negative 3 and negative 2. Once again, start with the number line and plot the points. We have negative 3, 3 spaces to the left of 0, and negative 2 is 2 spaces to the left of 0. We know that negative 3 is less than negative 2 because it is farther to the left on the number line, and numbers to the left are smaller. Example number 2. Ordering integers. You will need to write the integers in order from least to greatest. We are using the integers 0, 1, negative 3, negative 2, and 4. A number line will help us with this. Once we have drawn our number line, we can graph each of the points. Notice that negative 3 is farthest to the left, and 4 is farthest to the right. To write the integers in order from least to greatest, start on the left side of the number line and write each integer in the list as it appears. So we have negative 3, negative 2, 0, 1, and 4. If you run across a problem that asks you to write the integers in order from greatest to least, use the same method, but start on the right-hand side and work your way to the left. Example number 3 is a real-world example. The table below lists the average daily high temperature in Toronto, Ontario by month. Notice that all of the temperatures are in degrees Celsius because Canada uses the metric system. Part A. Place the following months in order by decreasing average temperature: January, May, and October. January has an average temperature of negative 1 degree Celsius. May has an average temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. And October has an average temperature of 14 degrees Celsius. To put them in decreasing order, we need to start with the greatest average temperature and then work our way down to the least average temperature, or the coldest. So in order of decreasing average temperature, we have May, then October, and then January. For Part B, we need to determine if there is a month when the temperature does not reach freezing, or 0 degrees Celsius, on the average day. Looking at the table on the right, we need to find any months with negative temperature values. In this case, there is only one month. The average daily high temperature in January is negative 1 degree Celsius, which means that the temperature does not reach freezing on a normal January day. Today you learned to compare and order integers in order to solve real-world problems. The Common Core state standards today were 6 NSC 6C, 7A, and 8B. Now that you are familiar with these techniques, complete the independent practice problems in your guided notes packet. Then watch the independent practice solutions video to check your work. Thanks for watching this episode of Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'll see you next time.